Alright guys, Bass Drop Keys, your friendly neighborhood Negro. Welcome to another episode of Good Eats. Today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make a fantastic homemade barbecue sauce, and you know that we're doing it Good Eats 420 style. As always, this video is being sponsored by magicalbutter.com. Click the link that's in the description. It's going to give you a 20% discount on your order. Thank you magicalbutter.com for sponsoring me and sponsoring this video. Alright guys, so we're not doing any fancy intros or anything like that. This is a straightforward recipe. The reason why we're doing this today is because I bought an air fryer, and so one of the videos that you're going to see coming up very shortly is my first air fryer video, which is we're going to be doing some chicken drums or some chicken wings, something like that. I want to have a nice barbecue sauce to go with that. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to make our very own homemade barbecue sauce, Good Eats 420 style. And you know what that means. So let's go ahead and get into it right now. As always, you can find the list of everything that I'm putting in here. You can find the list of the ingredients. You can find the directions, pictures, video, and everything. Click the link that's in the description. It's going to take you over to goodeats420.com where you'll get everything that you need. First things, we're going to start with our ketchup. And as you guys can see here, I'm using my magical butter spatula in order to do this. If you're interested in getting these, hit the website magicalbutter.com. Use my name, Bass Drop Keys, to get 20% off. Alright, our ketchup is in there. Alright, we're going to add in our brown sugar. Alright, we're going to add in our vinegar. I'm using white vinegar and apple cider vinegar, but it's up to you. There's our white vinegar. Okay, so we just got finished with the vinegar. That's a lot of acidity. We need to tap that down some with some sweetness, so we got some molasses here. Very nice. Alright guys, so now it's time to start kicking this up 420 style. You know what I'm talking about. We have some honey right here, medicated. And we have some melted can of butter right here. And that's how we're going to medicate this. Alright, so let's keep it going. We're going to go to our Worcestershire, whatever. However you say that, Worcestershire, Worcestershire, whatever. That's next. Next we have the paprika. Here's the chili powder. Next is the turmeric or dried mustard, whatever you want to use. Onion powder. Allspice. And our final ingredient that we're going to use is cayenne. You can definitely change up all the spices and do them to your taste. This is my particular one right here. Alright, so once you have all the ingredients in the bowl, you're going to take a whisk, and we're just going to whisk this up until everything's combined fully. What's so great about this is you don't have to cook this. You can if you want to, but whenever you're putting it on, whatever you're going to be putting it on, that's how it's going to get its heat right there. Just mix this together, make sure it's mixed well, and then we're going to bottle it up, and that's it. We're going to put it in the refrigerator and let it, all those spices and let all those flavors that we put inside there, let everything combine fully. I'm going to be using this sauce tomorrow, so I'm going to put it overnight in the refrigerator, and that's it. You don't have to cook this at all. It's ready to go right now. Alright, so look at that. Ooh. Medicated barbecue sauce. All right, so now that we have our barbecue sauce already mixed together, now all we got to do is bottle it up right here. Got a bottle, got a funnel, as you can see, bottle, funnel, and let's go ahead and fill it up real quick here. All right, let's just clean the rim real quick here. Very nice. Put the lid on here. And there you have it. Homemade, medicated barbecue sauce, ready to go on chicken, ribs, whatever you want to do. You can use it right now if you need to use it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the refrigerator because we're going to be actually using this tomorrow on some chicken. And so I'm going to put this in the refrigerator and let all of those spices and let all those great flavors that we put in there just combine together overnight. So guys, I hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for all the love. I really appreciate you. Don't forget, if I've taught you how to do anything, whether it's making THC lean, can of salt, can of butter, barbecue sauce, or whatever it is, come over to goodeats420.com, hit where it says submit a post, and submit a post. Let me see exactly what I've taught you. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Please come support me on Patreon. It really means a lot to me, and it really does help with making all these videos. So guys, there it is. I really appreciate all the love. Until next time, guys, peace and good eats.